Hello students, today we are going to start our second video of matrix. In the first video we are discussing about what is matrix, what is row and columns, order of matrix, then matrix addition and subtraction. So in this video we are going to discuss matrix multiplication. So what is matrix multiplication, or how two matrix can be multiplied? Matrix multiplication. Let's see. Suppose A is a matrix 3, 4, 1, 2. B is a matrix 2, 6, 7, 8. To multiply two matrix, a condition must be fulfilled. Here order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and order of matrix B is 2 by 2. In the previous case, to add or subtract two matrix, order of the two matrix must be same, but to multiply two matrix, column of the first matrix is must be equal to row of the second matrix. If we multiply AB in matrix, one more thing, in matrix A into B is not equal to B into A. In case of matrix, this is not same. A into B is not equal to B into A. So to multiply two matrix, so this is the column number. Column of the first matrix must be equal to row of the first matrix, and order of the final matrix will be this 2 and 2. Order of the final matrix 2 by 2. So this 2 by 2 means number of row is equal to 2 and number of column is equal to 2. Hence it has 4 elements. So first element is A1 1, second element is A1 2, the third element is A2 1, fourth element is A2 2. So A1 1, A1 2, A2 1, A2 2. Okay. So A1 1 means row number 1 and column number 1. A1 2 is row number 1, column number 2. Similarly A2 1, row number 2, column number 1. 2 2 means row number 2 and column number 2. So first find A1 1. What is A1 1? Row number 1 and column number 1. So row of the first matrix and column of the second matrix must be multiplied. Corresponding element. See, 3, this is 3 is the first element, here 2 is the first element. So it will be 3 into 2 plus 4 into 7. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 7. It will be 6 plus 28, 34. A1 1. Next element is A1 2. 1 2 means first row, second column. First row, second column. First row, first element 3. Here first element 6. That means 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8, 18 plus 32, it is 50. Okay. Similarly, A21. 21 means second row, first column. Second row of the first matrix. 1. First column 27. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 7. 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. Next, last element A22. A22 means second row, second column. Second row 1 2, second column 6 8. That means 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. 6 plus 16, 22. Okay, so these are the 4 elements. So therefore the final matrix will be A11, that is 34. A12, that is 50. A21, that is 16. A22, that is 20. Hence 2 matrix is multiplied. We have to say that column number of the first matrix must be equal to row number of the first matrix. This is matrix multiplication. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose A is a matrix one minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2. So this is 0 3 4, and B is a matrix 2 7 2 7 minus 1 1 5 minus 4. So we have to find A into B. First we have to check, is it possible to find A into B? To check, we have to find order number of matrix A, number of rows 2, number of column is 3. Here number of rows 3 and number of columns 2. So this column number is equal to this row number. Hence matrix multiplication is possible, and final matrix is of order 2 by 2. This 2 and 2. This is row number, this is column number. So these two must be equal. Then we can multiply 2 matrix. So same here, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22. So first we calculate A11. First row, first column, corresponding element 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 5 So 2 into 5, 10, minus 1 into 1, 1, 11, plus 2, this is 13. Next is A1, 2, first row, second column. This is equal to 1 into 7 plus minus 1 into 1. Last one is 2 into minus 4. So 7 minus 1 minus 8. Minus 9 plus 7, that is minus 2. Third element is A1, 2, 1. Second row, first column. First is 0 into 2. Next 3 into minus 1. Last one is 4 into 5. So 20 minus 3 is equal 17. Last element A2, 2. Second row, second column. 0 into 7 plus 0 into 7 or 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 4. Corresponding element multiply. So minus 16 plus 3. So minus 13. So answer will be 13 minus 2, 17 minus 13. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Hence we are going to multiply 2 matrix. To multiply 2 matrix, this must be same. Okay, this is the matrix multiplication. So the next topic is transpose of a matrix. So we are going to discuss, next topic is transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix. So transpose of a matrix, it is denoted by AT or a dash. Transpose of a matrix. So how we can find transpose of a matrix? Simply we interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is obtained by, so it is obtained by interchanging rows, interchanging the rows and the columns of a matrix. It is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix. Okay, let's take an example. suppose this is a matrix 3 4 5 6. So we have to find transpose. So transpose of a matrix is AT. Similarly, this is row, right is as column. This is row, right is as column. By interchanging rows and columns of a matrix, we can find transpose of a matrix. So let's take another example. So 5 6 7 4 7 9 1 3 4. So we have to find transpose. This is row, write it as a column. 5 6 7, next 4 7 9, last one is 1 3 4. Okay, so this is transpose of a matrix. So there are some properties of transpose matrix. Let's discuss the properties of transpose of a matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. So first property is transpose of a transpose matrix. This is 2 times transpose is equal to the original matrix. 2 times transpose of a matrix is equal to the original matrix. Suppose A is a matrix 3 4 9 10. Okay, make it transpose, A transpose. So row becomes column, column becomes row. Okay, next again transpose this matrix. So 3 9 4 10. Okay, so it becomes the original matrix. Let's say 3 4 9 10, 3 4 9 10, which is equal to original matrix A. So this is the first property. Transpose, double transpose of a matrix is equal to the original matrix. So second property is suppose matrix is multiplied by a scalar, then transpose is equal to where K is a scalar quantity. K is scalar quantity like 1 2 3 4. See, suppose A is a matrix 2 3 5 6. Let K is equal to 3. That means 3A. 3A is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. This is left hand side. This is left hand side. In the right hand side, 3 into 80. Let's find right hand side. 3 into A transpose 3. A transpose 2 3. 2 3 becomes column. Hence 5 6 becomes column. So 6 15 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Sorry, this is not left hand side. Left hand side will be KA transpose. So left hand side will be 3A transpose 6 9 15. See, these are same. So this is the second property. Let's see the third property. Third property is A plus minus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus minus B transpose. Okay. Let's see. A is 5 6 7 8. B is 1 2 3 4. So A plus B, corresponding element plus 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 3 10, 8 plus 4 12. Now A plus B transpose. So 6 8 10 12. Okay, this is the left hand side. Now right hand side, A transpose. A transpose will be 5 6 7 8. B transpose. B transpose is 1 2 3 4. So A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose plus B transpose is equal to 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12, 6 10 8 12, 6 10 8 12. Similar in the case of minus A minus B, this will be same. You can check yourself. A minus B, find A minus B, then make it transpose, and A transpose B transpose, make it minus A transpose minus B transpose. You will find same matrix. So this is the third property. Now comes to the last property, that is fourth property. So fourth property is AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Always remember, AB transpose in case of multiplication, AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. I have already said that in case of matrix A into B is not is equal to B into A. Always remember, B transpose into A transpose. So let's take an example. A 1 2 3 4. B is 2 4 1 3. In the first case it is A into B. So let's find A into B. Corresponding element multiply 1 into 2. I have already said how to multiply two matrix. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Next 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3. Next 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1. 3 into 2, 4 into 1. Last one is 3 into 4 plus 4 into 3. Okay. So 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 3 into 2, 6. 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Next 3 into 4, 4 into 3. 12 plus 12, 24. Okay. Next B transpose into A transpose. First B transpose. B transpose is 2 4 1 3. A transpose is 1 2 3 4. That is B transpose into A transpose. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4. Next 4 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4. This will be 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. This is 10. 24. If we make it transpose, 4 10, 10 24. So this is the fourth property of transpose of a matrix. In case of multiplication, always remember second terms comes first. B transpose into A transpose, not A transpose into B transpose. So there are four properties of transpose of a matrix. Next is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Next topic is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So what is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? Let's see. One minute. So symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetrics matrix. So what is symmetric matrix? If Aij suffix A J I. So what is I, what is J? I is row number of matrix, J is column number of matrix. In general, we are writing like this: I and J. If Aij is equal to Aji, then that the matrix is called symmetric matrix. Let's take an example. Simple example: 2 minus 2 minus 2 5. Okay, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Here A11 is 2, A12 is minus 2, A13 is A21 is minus 2, A22 is 5. So a matrix is said to be symmetric. I am directly writing the condition: A Ij is equal to A Ji. Okay, that is A11 is equal to 2, A12 is equal to minus 2, A21 is equal to minus 2, A22 is equal to 5. A11. Here 1 means I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. If I write Aji, that is also 1. So A11 is equal to 2. Here you see A12 is equal to minus 2. That means Aij, I is 1, J is 2. A12 is equal to minus 2. What is the condition? Aij is equal to Aji. Here I is 1 and J is 2. Must be is equal to Ji. J means 2. So A21, J is 2, I is 1, A21. A21 is also minus 2. Okay, similar. The last element A22. Here there is no problem. A22 is 5, 22. But here A12 is equal to A21. So this is a symmetric matrix. In symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to Aji. So next one is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. A matrix is said to be skew symmetric if Aij is equal to minus Aji. If Aij is equal to minus Ji. Okay. Let's take an example. 0, 2 minus 5 minus 2, 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 0. So 0, 2 minus 5 minus 2, 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 0. Here A11 first element 0, second A12 2, A13 minus 5, A21 minus 2, A22 0, A23 3, A31 5, A32 minus 3, A33 is equal to 0. Okay. where row number and column number same, that we should not check A11, A11, A22, A33. We have to check other elements. A11 reverse A11, A22 reverse is A22. That's no problem. Let's check. We have to check this. Aij is equal to A minus Ji, minus of Aji. So A12 is equal to 2. A21 is equal to minus 2. Negative. A13 is minus 5. A31 is plus 5. Minus of minus 5 is plus 5. Okay. A23 is 3. A32 is minus 3. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. So this is the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetrics and skew symmetrics we have understood. Okay, that is no problem. So next topic is, so next there is a point that discuss the point that every square matrix A, if A is any square matrix, then half of A plus A transpose is symmetric. And half of skew symmetric. Okay, this is a important point. If A is any square matrix, then half of A plus A transpose is symmetric. Half of A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Suppose A is a matrix 2, 3, minus 7, 5. Okay. Now let's find half A plus A transpose. So A is 2, 3, minus 7, 5. Then A transpose is 2, 3, minus 7, 5. This is A transpose. Now we have to calculate half into A plus AT. First A plus A transpose 4 minus 4 minus 4 10. Therefore half of A plus A transpose, half means every element is divided by 2. This is 2 minus 2 minus 2 5. See, this is a symmetric matrix. This is A11, A22. That is no problem. A12 and is equal to A21. Can you guess? This is A12 and this is A21. See, equal. In case of symmetric matrix, what was the condition? A I j is equal to A ji. This is the condition. So half into A plus A transpose is equal to So next we have to calculate A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose. So what is A minus A transpose? 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus of 7 plus 10, minus 7 minus 3, minus 7 minus 3 minus 10, 5 minus 5 0. That means 0 10 minus 10 0. Now we have to calculate half of A minus A transpose. 0 5 minus 5 0. Say this is a skew symmetric. Position is A 1 2. It is A 2 1. Here A 1 2 equal to minus A 2 1. So this is a skew symmetric. So this is skew symmetric. So for any square matrix, half A minus A is symmetric and half A plus AT is, this is symmetric, plus when this is plus it is symmetric, in case of minus it is skew symmetric. This is an important point. So in the next video we will discuss about elementary row transform or invertible matrix. Okay, by elementary row transform we can find the inverse of a matrix. So thank you all. Goodbye.